Hello, welcome. This is Mike, Hayes Home Services. So today's job, we're going to replace the, what they call uh, the board just slipped my mind. They call it a sheathing. Replace the sheathing. So what we got to do, come up here, take that 2x4 out and replace that. Replace this board here, this board. We got to get this into here. We've got to somehow, once we remove this sheathing, then we'll be able to extend this board out. The problem was the water's coming down this angle and settling here. So it's not really the gutter that the problem is. It's the vinyl collecting the water. The water settling here. So we'll have to replace this board, the outside board, the sheathing, the 2x4, and then we're going to take a deeper look into caulking these areas up here and seeing where we can get the water flow. You can see the gaps where the water comes down through there. All right, stay tuned for more.